Hello friends, today we'll discuss about Android fragment, what is fragment, lifecycle fragment, how to use demo. What is fragment? A fragment is a piece of an application's user interface or behavior that can be placed in an activity. Fragment have own lifecycle. Lifecycle of fragments: on attach, on create view, on activity created, on start, on resume. So while going, on pause, on stop, on destroy view, on destroy, on detach. How to use? Interaction with fragment is done through fragment manager, which can be obtained via activity.getFragmentManager or fragment.getFragmentManager. To add, remove or replace a fragment, need to use fragment transaction. You can get instance of fragment transaction from fragment manager. So let's see how you will get fragment transaction. Fragment transaction you will get fragment manager dot begin transaction. Adding a fragment. To add a fragment, we need a transaction instance, then transaction dot add. To replace a fragment, you need transaction dot replace. To remove a fragment, you need an ID, transaction dot remove with ID. Some important APIs. How you will set data between fragment 1 to fragment 2. So if you want to send data from fragment 1 to fragment 2, you can use set fragments API. There are some APIs you to use to call some different fragment. So if you want to call some different fragment, you can call by find fragment by ID or find fragment by ID or find fragment by tag. Get fragment manager, find fragment by ID with ID. Get fragment manager, find fragment by tag with fragment name. You can add fragment by layout XML file using fragment tag. Let's see one demo application, how to replace different fragment based on button click. Let's see this example. I have created one application where this activity contains two buttons. One is fragment 1 button and fragment 2 button. If you click fragment 1, it will show fragment 1. If you click fragment 2, it will show fragment 2. So if you see this layout, there is one fragment ID. This fragment ID will use to replace different fragments. So here you do fragment tag, and this fragment tag will use have an ID fragment toggle. So now this fragment ID now will create two fragment. One is fragment 1, another is fragment 2. So let's create fragment 1. This fragment 1 extends from fragment, and there is one to include the layout. We will use on create view. This will return the view. Inflated dot inflate r.layout dot fragment 1 layout. There are two fragment layout, fragment 1 layout, another is fragment 2 layout. So to differentiate, I have given two colors. Fragment 1 layout have this color and fragment 2 have separate different color. So that one, this layout will call by fragment 1 and fragment 2 file. So now we have two fragment and two layout file for each fragment, and now we'll call this fragment on button click. So by default, if you see the activity file, by default it will having fragment 1. So by initially it will show the fragment 1, then on click of button 1 it will show fragment 1. On click of button 2 it will show fragment 2. So how we will call different fragment? Let's see. Fragment equal to new fragment 1, fragment manager equal to get fragment manager, and transaction is equal to fragment manager dot begin transaction, transaction dot replace with id, that is our layout it mention this id, that is fragment toggle. So this fragment toggle with our fragment instance. On button click of 2 will same thing, fragment equal to new fragment 2, and get fragment manager equal to get fragment manager, transaction equal to fragment manager dot begin transaction, transaction dot replace with id with our fragment 2 instance, then transaction dot commit. Let's run this application. You will see here I have run this application in emulator. So if I click fragment 1, it's showing fragment 1, and I click fragment 2, it is showing fragment 2. Okay, so this is the demo application. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like it and mention your comments. Thank you. Bye bye.